Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne 3rd generation, guys. This one will be generation 2002 to 2010. And if your front left or rear left turn signal, guys, turn signal doesn't work, stay with us and we'll show you how to fix that. Now there is one fuse, guys, one fuse that controls the left side turn signals. So that's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos. Our goal to save you as much money as we can, guys, by teaching you how to fix your car for free. So this is the Porsche Cayenne here, guys. More videos could be found on our main channel. Okay, more mechanical videos, world mechanics and auto repair, guys. Check those channels out, guys. You mean a lot to us. Now, okay, we're going to turn the left turn signal on. Okay, check out what's happening. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's try right. Right side works, left one doesn't work at all. So we're going to turn the ignition off now, guys, and we'll show you what needs to be done. Okay, now this is, guys, okay, where your fuse box is located. With a plastic panel remover to open this box, you have 5 clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. So remove those. Those will be the fuse numbers here. And we need to locate fuse number 17, guys. Okay, fuse number 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 10 amp fuse. So we pull that one out. Okay, blown fuse, guys. Check it out. We'll get a new one now. Okay, this is the new fuse. Push it in. Now we'll turn the ignition on. Put the cover first, guys, don't forget. Turn the ignition on. And now it works. So I definitely fixed our problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.